Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook notification not working on Android. So once you have opened your Facebook app and then go to the top right corner and click on the menu and then scroll down. Now click on the settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Now under preference, here you will see notification. Just click on that. And then here you can see what notification you receive. So these are all notification options, so you can set manually for each and every. So I have turned off this, so let's click on and then go back. Now if you scroll down and here you will see where you receive notification. So currently this is off, so you can turn on it. So this is how you can fix Facebook notification not working on Android. So hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.